Installing a system board assembly. Align the contacts on the System I/O board with the slots on the processor board, and then use both hands to push the System I/O board and slightly insert it into the connector. Fasten the screws to install the System I/O board to the supporting metal sheet. Install the micro SD card removed from the old System I/O board. Use the release pins to lower the system board assembly into the chassis. Slide the system board assembly to the rear of the server until it snaps into position. Connect the cables to the system board assembly. Install any components that you removed. Install the system fan cage. Install the air baffle. Install the top cover.